Can you believe there's only 9 more days until R5 debuts their new album? Sometime last night, the band, Ross, Rocky, Riker, Rydell Lynch, and Ellington Ratliff, sat down with JJJ ahead embarking on their Sometime Last Night tour. R5 opened up about which musicians they really want to hit the road with, must have snacks on the tour bus and the album. R5 U.S. Summer 2015 tour dates. July 7, 2015 Orange Park, FL Thrasher Horn Center for the Arts. July 8, 2015 Boca Raton, FL Misner Park Amphitheater. July 10, 2015 Alpharetta, the Verizon Wireless Amphitheater. July 11, 2015 Raleigh, NC Duke Energy Center for the Performing Arts. July 12, 2015 Vienna, VA Wolf Trap. July 14, 2015 Mashantucket, CT The Grand Theater at Foxwood Casino. July 16, 2015 Guilford, NH Bank of New Hampshire Pavilion at Meadowbrook. July 17, 2015 Boston, MA House of Blues. July 18, 2015 West Windsor, NJ Mercer County Park Festival Grounds. July 20, 2015 Pittsburgh, Postage, Outdoors. July 21, 2015 Kettering, O'Frays Pavilion. July 22, 2015 Sterling Heights, Me Freedom Hill Amphitheater. July 24, 2015 Milwaukee, Y Riverside Theater. July 25, 2015 St. Charles, Mo the Family Arena. July 26, 2015 Kansas City, Mo Arvis Bank Theater at the Midland. July 28, 2015 Bloomington, U.S. Cellular Coliseum. July 29, 2015 Louisville, KY Iroquois Amphitheater. July 30, 2015 Whites Creek, T. and Carl Black Chevy Woods Amphitheater. August 1, 2015 Oklahoma City, OK Frontier City Starlight Amphitheater. August 2, 2015 Grand Prairie, TX Verizon Theater at Grand Prairie. August 4, 2015 Houston, TX Bayou Music Center. August 5, 2015 New Braunfels, TX Whitewater Amphitheater. August 8, 2015 Denver, COLH Gardens Theme and Water Park. August 11, 2015 West Valley City, Wood Maverick Center. August 12, 2015 Boise, I.D. Morrison Center for the Performing Arts. August 14, 2015 Redmond, Wa Mary Moore Park. August 15, 2015 Eugene, or Cuthbert Amphitheater. August 18, 2015 San Jose, CA City National Civic. August 20, 2015 Henderson, NV Henderson Pavilion. August 22, 2015 Mesa, AZ Mesa Amphitheater. August 23, 2015 Los Angeles, CA Greek Theater. R5 U.S. Winter 2016 tour dates. January 26, 2016 Stockton, CA Bob Hope Theater. January 27, 2016 Fresno, CA William Saroyan Theater. January 30, 2016 San Diego, CA Balboa Theater. February 1, 2016 Tucson, AZ Tucson Music Hall. February 2, 2016 Albuquerque, NM Kiva Auditorium. February 9, 2016 Memphis, T.N. Cannon Center for the Performing Arts. February 10, 2016 Birmingham, Al Iron City. February 12, 2016 Orlando, FL Drive. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. February 13, 2016 Clearwater, FL Ruth Eckerd Hall. February 16, 2016 Augusta, GA William B. Bell Auditorium. February 17, 2016 Knoxville, T.N. Knoxville Civic Auditorium. February 18, 2016 Charlotte, N.C. Ovens Auditorium. February 20, 2016 Norfolk, VA the Norva. February 21, 2016 Richmond, VA the National. February 27, 2016 New York, NY Beacon Theater. March 1, 2016 Providence, Read the Vets. March 2, 2016 Burlington, V.T. Flynn Center for the Performing Arts. March 4, 2016 Albany, NY Palace Theater. March 5, 2016 Rochester, NY Auditorium Theater. March 8, 2016 Cleveland, O State Theater. March 10, 2016 Chicago, Eel Chicago Theater. March 11, 2016 Minneapolis, MN State Theater. March 14, 2016 Omaha, New Holland Performing Arts Center. March 15, 2016 Tulsa, OK Brady Theater.